Leading from your heart can be really challenging when you're collapsed over your computer all day. To lead from your heart needs to come out of what I call your back cave. Here's a way to coax your heart into your work and into your creativity. You're going to sit tall on your chair, hold on to the back of your seat. You're going to lift your sternum up and forward as you pinch your shoulder blades and reach your tailbone back. Feel like you're a ship head on a pirate ship, arcing through. How close can you get those shoulder blades together? Then you're letting them fall together. Don't grip. And just let the breast separate. Take a breath there. And feel the added space in the front of the chest. And then return to neutral. You're going to intertwine the fingers. Cup the back of the head. And again, lift the sternum up as you rest your head back in your hands and you feel your armpit reach through your elbow as if the elbows were an extension of the width in your back. Take a deep breath, let your head rest easy and your jaw glide back. And again, feel the breast separate. You're creating space for your heart center to come forward. And then you're going to bring your head back in alignment. This last one you can do either sitting or standing. Clasp your hands behind you, pinch your shoulder blades, and pull down. So your shoulder blades are dropping down and behind the breast. Now again, there's space between the breasts. Take a breath. Feel the added space between your chest and shoulders. Now, keep your shoulder blades and shoulders as they are. As you release your arms, take a breath. Feel the crown nice and high and your sits bones heavy. If you're standing, you're heavy through your heels with your weight on the balls of your feet. Now imagine your sternum and pubic bone walking through a door at the very same time. Imagine experiencing the power of your pelvis and the vulnerability of your heart simultaneously. This is a posture that keeps you wholeheartedly engaged to all your actions because your body is smiling.